Welcome back, boys and girls. All right, so we're going to continue with our addition lessons, except we're just going to add more numbers now, okay? We're going to use bigger numbers. So yesterday we added numbers 1 all the way up to 10, so up to 10. Today we're going to be adding up to 15. But I think that you guys are already experts at adding numbers, so let's get right into this. Just as a recap, who remembers, just call it out, what do we call this symbol over here? What do we call this sign over here? Call it out. I'm going to give you the answer in 3, 2, 1. It's a plus sign or an addition symbol. So if you said that, nice work. Now this symbol means what? What does it mean? We do what to the numbers? Put it together. That's right. So the plus sign means to put it together. We combine it. So let's do some more problems. Here's the first number I'm going to use. Plus means that we put it together. And here's another number we're going to use. And equal to means that it's the same as, remember? It's the same as our answer. So this number plus this number will give you this number, right? And again, plus means that we put it together. I'm going to keep saying that. You're going to say it in your sleep. That's how much I'm saying it. I don't want you to forget. So plus means you put it together. All right, here we go. Let's start adding numbers. So when I'm using the plus sign, that means I'm adding the numbers, okay? So it's called addition. So let's start adding numbers. We're gonna do a few examples, not as many as the past few days because I think you guys have a hang of adding numbers now, but we're just gonna use bigger and bigger numbers. That's the only difference, okay? So let's begin. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more, 6. Oops, let's move this down a bit. Okay, so I have, let's put it here, 6 yellow counters. So let's write that number down. Here's 6. Plus, that means I'm putting it together. Let's get, all right, count with me. Let's see how many we're adding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Ooh, we're counting a lot higher today. All right, so here's 6, and here's 7 counters. So I'm gonna write that number. So we have 6 plus 7. Now remember, plus means we put it together. So I'm just gonna count how many I have over here, right? That's what plus means. I kind of went over my plus. That's okay. Let's erase it and fix that. Okay, so let's put that together. I'm going to show it to you with the cubes, okay? So count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, on when I get to here. Do you know what's the next number that I would say? Do I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then start over again and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? Or do I do something else? Yeah, I do something else. So ready? 6, and we're going to count on now because we're adding it. That means we're putting it together. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my goodness, we're getting a big cube train. What do we have? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I have 13 cubes all together. When I do 6 counters plus 7 counters, I get 13. And we practiced writing numbers in the previous week, so we will be experts at writing this. So 13 is a 1 and a 3. So that's my answer. 6 plus 7 is equal to or the same as 13. Nice job. Let's do another one. So whenever you see this plus sign, we're always going to put them together, okay? All right, what if I had this? Let me get my little napkin to erase. I have a feeling that you boys and girls have already become experts at this, and this is going to be easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, here we go. I'm going to have 5 plus, that means I'm putting it together. Let's do 5. All right, 5 plus 5. So let's do that. I'm going to have, let's make 5 over here on this side. Ready? Count with me. And then I want you to call out stop when I'm there, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, stop. Okay, that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5. You gotta stop. Now we have to make another 5. So it's gonna look like the same thing. Let's do it in blue this time. Ready? I want you this time, when I get to the number 5, I want you to shout out pickles, okay? So if you want me to stop at 5, you gotta say pickles. Got it? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, pickles? All right, I'm gonna stop right there. Okay, so here we have 5 plus 5, right? Now remember, the plus sign means we what? We put it together. So I'm going to put these together. What I like to do is, I like to draw a circle around it so I can see that I'm putting them together, okay? Instead of picking up the cubes and attaching them, I'm just going to count them, okay? So here we go. Count with me. 5, right? Now we have to count on. So we're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 plus 5 is equal to or the same as 10. How do I write the number 10 again? What 2 numbers is it? A 1 and a 0. That's right. Now, I want you to notice, when I added numbers, I started off with 5, and I went 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The reason I didn't count these up again is because I already know it's 5, right? So instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I could just start at 5 because I know there's already 5 here and count on higher, okay? So, whoops. We're dropping cubes. All right, we're back. Okay, so here's 5. I don't need to recount them. I could just count on. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If that's too confusing, and it might be sometimes where you have to just practice doing it long enough until it's a little easy, you can just count the whole thing. That's fine too. Whatever works for you boys and girls, okay? All right. Let's do one last one, okay? Instead of 5 plus 5, let's do 5 plus 6. And this will be the last one because I am confident that you boys and girls are starting to get the hang of this. All right, here we go. So now I still have 5 on the left side. I still have 5 yellow. Okay. Oh, keep dropping it. Yellow just wants to run away. All right, it's gotta stay there. It's math time, you can't leave me. Okay. 5, now we have to change this number. So how many do we have here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 5 plus, that means we put it together, right? Put it together. If it helps for you to do the hand motion, do that too, just so you remember. 5 plus 6, so I'm putting these guys together, is equal to or the same as, so now we just add how many there are. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How do you write the number 11 again? Say it out loud, ready? A 1 and a 1. Great job. All right. And that is it. So basically, it's essentially the same thing we've been doing on Tuesday and Wednesday with adding numbers, but now we're just getting a little bigger with the numbers, okay? I just want you guys to have a lot of practice with it, so you're experts at adding, all right? We will continue this on the Zoom session. We'll go over some problems. Until next time. See you later, guys.